What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Minnie back with another YouTube video, and today is going to be another video based off of my strategy and how I was able to catch the bottom, and maybe how you can get another perspective of how to look at the market, how professional traders are trading, and how you can start to apply it in your trading as well. So before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and if you guys enjoy the video at the end, make sure to drop a like and then comment how you liked it and what you guys would like to see next. So let's get right into it. I'm looking at CADL. Our first trade was 3 minutes into open. Now, like you guys can see, I added cattle and then I'll grab more on the dip. So let's X that out. Now, why did I take cattle here at 120? What was the reason for that? So let's go to the 1 minute chart and find out exactly why. So on the 1 minute chart, I want you guys to kind of, understand what's going on in this whole picture and why I was able to catch that exact bottom at 120. Now, on the 1 minute chart, you can't really tell what's going on except that there's a big demand zone here, right? After it came down to these levels, it made a massive pop. Same thing, when it came down to these levels, we had a big run, right? So this level and this level is a demand zone. Although on the 1 minute, it doesn't look that clean, that is why I prefer using the 5 minute, 10 minute, and larger time frames, right? So in the 5 minute, it's a lot more clean and a lot more easier to tell where the buyers came in. So you guys can see selling volume cooling down right here. You guys can see we have a big move to the upside right here. And that's all we need. That's how we mark out our demand zone. So buyers come in right here, make a big move. Buyers come in right here, make a decent move. So those are two key levels. Now, as soon as it comes down to this level, that my edge right here is being able to execute right at my edge, right? My edge is not up here. My edge is not up here. My edge is not up here. My edge is down here at 120 where the big buyers are at, right? Where the big demand zone is at. So I'm going to execute off that 120 and I'm going to sell into that 147 resistance. I'm going to sell into previous resistance from pre-market. This was a 15 to 16% trade within 3 to 4 minutes of our entry, and that's all I needed. Rest of the trades, quadruple C, which was CCCC, ADTX, all added up as well. From pre-market, I had ADTX, which worked out well. Quadruple C's, which everyone nailed in the chat. An absolutely insane day as well. So I'll go over and check that out later, and make sure you guys can see how the chat did as well. Just gotta scroll all the way up. Here's how we did. You guys can see right here, chat's absolutely killing it and banking. You guys can see we killed CCCC right here. I mean, we are just crushing it, right? So every single day, that's what we do. I alert every single play on voice and on live, and making sure that everyone's making money, right? So you guys can see the execution off the bottom. Now, I did take another entry here, right, which was an instant loss, right? So I took it at 120. I liked the way it was soaking, but it was against the EMA. So I had very tight risk, right? My entry was at 120. My stop loss is 118. I'm risking 2 cents for potential 10 cents, right? So I'm risking 2 cents. 120 risk is 118 to go all the way up to like 135 to 140. So I'm risking around 2 cents for 10, 15, 20 cents, right? Which is great risk reward. And I only gave back just a tiny bit of profits from everything that was captured into this move. So all you need is really one trade a day. I want everyone to start practicing discipline. I want everyone to start making sure that one trade or two trades is all you really need to take for financial freedom. Don't let these gurus online and social media tell you that you need to make 10 grand a day. You can start with making $5 a day. If you can make $5 a day consistently with a proven strategy and it's actually consistent, you can start to scale that up. Start making $10 a day, $15 a day. Yes, it's going to take time, but we're here for the long-term gain, and we're not trying to make money overnight. So if you guys learned something from this video and learned how I caught the exact bottom, short, sweet, and simple, and how we're doing, make sure you guys drop a like at the end of the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.